Arey, why am I not able to hear anything? It's at max volume only.
What happened?
Bro, I'm watching an intense movie and I'm not able to hear the sound properly. Why? What is the problem?
Chill ma, it's a very silly problem. Almost 70% of the people face this at their home, especially if you're watching content on OTT platform, maybe like Hotstar, Prime Video or Netflix. So by default, these sort of platforms try to offer you best quality audio and video results depending on your streaming service. They're set to like 5.1 audio mode. And what happens is in 5.1 mode, audio is actually split into like 5 different channels to give you the realistic surround sound home theater experience. But if you do not have like a proper 5.1 or 7.1 home theater at your home, right, a lot of audio channels go missing and you won't be able to hear the sound properly. This is the main issue. All you need to do is simply go into the audio settings in the language option over here and change it from 5.1 to the regular audio mode. And that's it. This will completely solve your sound related problems.